Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Saudi bin Abdullah. My number matric is S55402. My group members is Muhammad Idham and Muhammad Amirullah. Today we will present about our group research. Our title of group research is How was the standard operation procedure SOP was affected the daily worker on the Port Tanjung Pelepas. Now I will talk about the abstract of the research. COVID-19 was being the global issue that need to face to all countries in the world. These are very affected to economy of the country to growth. On port, every port had a lot of worker and face on and need to face on physical contact every day. Since the COVID-19 will attack the world on 2019 until now, they had some problem to all sector, especially maritime sector on the port, especially Port Tanjung Pelepas. Even though the COVID-19 was attacked, the economic activity must operate to make sure the economies are stable. Workers at Port Tanjung Pelepas must work on the critical of problem to the workers doing the jobs scopes when they need to obey the standard operation procedure SOP. This procedure is to make sure the port clear and can avoid the worker and all staff at the port safe from COVID-19. The SOP that need to establish such as the physical or social distancing, work from home, and always wearing the mask. However, the SOP that need to follow for all workers are new and had some problems to make it fulfill. This research will know how the affected the daily job to all workers. Now I will pass to our group members.
Assalamualaikum. By 2020, the whole world has experienced a COVID-19 pandemic that has caused many deaths. This pandemic is so easily spread even when no contact takes place. It affects all sectors of the economy and causes huge loss. COVID-19 is a viral infection caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people who become ill with COVID-19 will have a mild to moderate symptom and will recover without any special treatment. The virus that causes COVID-19 is primarily spread via droplet produced when infected person cough, sneeze, or exhale. COVID-19 has greatly affected employment and the human economy, especially for workers in the field who are in contact with the public. Although workers are still able to continue their work, they are bound by the standard operation procedure SOP set by the government. Therefore, we would like to study the impact of SOP compliance on employees, especially in the Port Tanjung Pelepas. The Malaysian government in particular has established a standard operation procedure SOP to curb the spread of COVID-19 virus. However, it is very difficult for workers, especially in port. Although SOPs have been implemented, COVID-19 clusters still exist, especially in the workplace. The problems faced by employees are related to mental health, such as stress, burnout, and insomnia. Workers also face physical health problems such as high blood pressure and cardiovascular disease. Next, workers also facing inadequate protection from the coronavirus through a lack of social distancing, lack of space, and lack and safety protection. Workers also may facing increased pressure to work, especially where there are surges in demand or reduced staff. Workers may require to work overtime when needed.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to Dr. Norha and my fellow friend. My name is Ahmad Amirullah bin Abdul Rahman S55483. Okay, I will continue this presentation to explain about the research question. The first research question of our group is how the worker doing all activities by adopting the SOP set by the government to interface the coronavirus in Port Tanjung Pelepas. Okay, for the second research question is what the positive impact by adopting SOP at the Port Tanjung Pelepas. And for the third research question is what are the negative impact of work result by adopting SOP at Port Tanjung Pelepas. Okay, the next is research objective. Okay, the first research objective is to review the working of port workers who practice SOP during a coronavirus outbreak. The second objective is identify positive effect of SOP practice at a port. The third objective is identify the negative effect of SOP practice at the port. Okay, the research significance of our group is to find out the current situation in the port throughout the COVID-19 situation. This is because since the spread of the coronavirus epidemic, there are various standard operation procedure SOP have been introduced to curb this epidemic. The way of working in the port is also different than before, which makes it difficult for the worker to carry out their work. The research is important for companies at the port to set more appropriate SOPs so as not to burden employees. In the present of this research, the company can re-examine the existing SOP whether it's suitable or not. Okay, thank you.
In this study, the methodology used is inductive. This is because the study we did was a small sample project. Therefore, our study does not require any hypothesis. For the research method, we use the quantitative method. In this method, data and fact have their objective reality and then the variables are measurable. This method also uses testing and measuring by structure questionnaire or experimental resources. Probability sampling is all the individuals in the population get equal chance of being selected.